Hello friends, hope you're doing great. So today's topic of this video is what is trademark objection and how to file a trademark objection reply. Let's talk about the overview. A trademark creates an identity for the brand and distinguishes it from other products or services in the market. Hence, protecting it is crucial if one wants to maintain its distinct identity. But what if someone stops you from claiming your right? For that, we need to understand the concept of trademark objection. Now, the next question arises is what is trademark objection? Trademark objection is one of the initial stages in the trademark registration process where the trademark examiner objects to your application due to certain reasons. It is not a straightforward denial to your claim, but the registrar seeks valid reasons or expectations, yeah, explanations about the mark and its registerability. He gives the applicant an opportunity to explain how the said trademark fits the criteria to avail valid registration. This is known as trademark objection reply. Under this thing, the examiner will issue you a examination report depending on the section according to which the examiner thinks that your application is subject to objection. Now, what are the reasons for trademark objections? Well, there are mainly two specific reasons for trademark objection. First being if your application for trademark contains incomplete or wrong information. Second being if your trademark application consists the trademark which is similar to a trademark which is already in existence. Let's first discuss regarding trademark objection raised due to errors in the application. A trademark application needs to be perfect. If it's not perfect, and it should be without errors or false information. So, a trademark application needs to be perfect without any errors or false information. If there is any wrong information, such as incorrect applicant name, incorrect principal place of business, or any other reason, it is very likely to attract objection. Now, first, incorrect details in the trademark form. If information relating to the applicant name, principal place, or any other information in the trademark application is false, then it is most likely to raise a trademark objection. Now, let's discuss about the second topic, which means the wrong filing of a trademark form. In the first one, we discussed about the details which are incorrect or not complete. Now, the second reason is wrong filing of a trademark form. The examiner can raise an objection if the trademark application is filed in the incorrect form. In case your trademark application is filled by a trademark attorney or agent, then Form TM48 must be filled and attached to the trademark application. Now, let us examine the grounds on which the examiner can raise an objection. A trademark application can be objected under more than one grounds for refusal. Following are some grounds on which an examiner can object the trademark registration. The grounds of refusal of trademark application can be divided into two parts. First, absolute grounds of refusal. Second, relative ground of refusal. First, the absolute grounds of refusal refer to the incapability of the mark to be distinctive or graphically presented. Here, you have to put more focus on this thing distinctive or graphically presented, and the incapability. Absolute grounds of refusal, like your trademark or the word mark or the design which you have applied for according to the examiner, is just not able to present itself in a unique manner. Second, the relative grounds of refusal are always in connection with earlier trademarks and their related rights. It is a bit simple refusal, but we have to deal with it and give a proper reply. Now, the grounds or reasons of refusal, like deceptive marks. Like here in the picture, you can see 7, 11, and 7 super. Here, more focus is to be given on the numeric 7. A person with a general and common civic sense and normal education, or in terms of a layman, will read both as 7 and he might get confused. So, any trademark that is likely to spur confusion among the public or which misleads the public are deceptively similar mark. It can be about the product's retail source, description between the good related or services, its use, quality, and character. Secondly, the ground of refusal is lack of distinctiveness. If a mark lacks distinctiveness, creates a dilemma, and does not help the consumer in identifying goods or services, it will not get protection under the Trademark Act. Third ground of refusal is the existence of an identical trademark. When your mark is alike an already registered trademark, an objection will be raised. There are plenty of trademark protection lessons to learn from the famous brands where you can find someone using the similar mark. The key is to avoid any confusion among the public. Fourth ground of refusal could be false specification of goods or services. Filing a trademark application under an incorrect class or a false description is wrong. This may lead to objection. Fifth ground of refusal is offensive or obscene words as a part of or as a trademark. Any mark with obscene or offensive words or images as part of the trademark may face a refusal. Now, the question arises how to reply to the examination report. Well, after you have received the report, which is known as the examination report, which is issued by the examiner from the trademark registry under the Act, the examiner has been granted and empowered with the power to issue you the examination report and demand clarification in order to process your application. After you have received the report, you will have to provide a detailed description of the reasons justifying how your mark fulfills all the requirements of being a valid registerable mark. This should be done within 30 days or the mark can be abandoned. Well, we'll read about this in detail in the next video. So, in order to get more information about this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, Rashmo. Now, let's just discuss about the conclusion. Well, the conclusion is maintaining the brand is as crucial as creating it. The timely filing of the trademark objection reply can save your time, money, and brand. Failure to do so may lead to an abandonment of the trademark application. Make sure your brand name does not fall under the grounds of refusal. Scrutinize the brand name well before filing the registration application to avoid any hassle. Now, you might be thinking right now like how you can search your brand name, whether it is already registered, whether it is available to you or not. We will certainly make a separate video on this topic. So kindly subscribe to our channel, and yes, you can always ask your query on the WhatsApp number being provided to you. It's just a WhatsApp number. Please do not call on this number. You can use the email address to ask your query. Just leave your mobile number and your query. This is just an informational video. It is for education purposes only. We are not here to promote any kind of business whatsoever. We are just providing you the information in order to make your trademark application filing easy and timely. Have a great day. See you. Just subscribe to our channel. Tata.